Yeah, boy, you know, you show up in a Porsche. What is that, a 911 GT Turbo? It's a Porsche. Well, we're here to this Cars and Coffee thingy. We got Cody's father came here. This dude about to put RB26 in his car. In that Chevelle? You about to put it? Huh? Well, he talking crazy now. I think he had a little bit too much to drink last night, didn't he? No, he's really. I don't put no Ford in my car. I would never put a Ford engine in my car, ever.
I tell you, what's my thing? Just
Look at John. John Tom.
Get your passport.
John Tom.
Whatever, right? We'll pay.
We're gonna walk around, look at some of the cars.
Stay as long as you want, right? If you have the ability.
Look at this GTSD with a. That better be a GTT wheel on the side, because I tell the GTSD to sign them side markers, buddy, in that way to do this. Wodewy. Oh god, the Wodewy guys came together today. How y'all? Genki? Oh, Genki desu ne. Mas. Genki desu ka? Oh, kuruma jotto ne. Iいな。めっちゃ白。This thing, you can go down here and take it. I'm gonna go check out John. A V12, Lord have mercy. This is the 90s luxury car here, bud. Brother reclines inside the rear. Badass. I wonder how much this car costs. I wonder how much it's probably like a $30,000, $40,000. I ain't gonna say 30, 40. It's probably like 20. You probably paid $20,000 for this car. Ohio. This motherfucker clean, bro. Clean as a whistle.
By 7 in the morning, I just put it in cinematic.
Look at John, y'all. Look at John. Get it. Well, hey, he had an iPhone from, I think he had the first iPhone. He done got a new one and look at it. He was like, oh, hi, y'all. How's it going?
Congratulations, man.
Oh, appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it.
Newborn.
Yeah. Hell, y'all. Yeah, I'm glad the sun ain't out beaming and it ain't hot. Oh, this is Christopher. Shit. Hi, y'all. Huh?
大きい見える
Miro. Hiding? Oh, that's ninja.
なんだ
Hi, samurai.
アメリカン忍者
American Ninja Warrior. Push GT3.
ああ
ちょっとね。Yoko? Porsche? Yoko?
No
Huh?
No
Just
No money
yeah, damn it. Sell.
No
For sale.
No
Big money.
Yeah no
Yeah. Ohio, Christopher.
おはようございます
Navy Fed ain't supporting this shit. Your car? Yeah, hi.
No.
Damn it. Oh, shit. God. Joina. Somebody got a purse. Is this a woman? mate. Excuse my. This is my Australian accent. Maybe it's wrong. It's not right. That's all right, mate. Let's get out here. Very nice cars, mate. And Skyline. Another Skyline. S15. Nah. Hello, this S15 has an RB25 inside of it. That's all right.
They got
This is a 34 GTR. It's a GTR. It's my boys Lewis. No, not Lewis, but Wendell's car. This is Wendell's car. Hey, nah.
V20 turbo all-wheel drive, that thing is fast as hell, dude. It's a Civic without being a Civic. It is really clean. Man, it only makes 180 horsepower. It's really clean doing it.
I mean, it's a front wheel. I don't see no axle going to the back, so I'm gonna say it's not an all wheel.
You know what would make this a lot better though? If you slap an LS in this bad boy.
You on Mr. LS. We putting the RB26 in your car, bro. Just let it go. Just let it go.
Usually you get it like in
It's happening. He don't want to accept the fact that he gonna put an RB in. That he gonna put an RB26 in that car. R2J, one of the two. I'm just saying. We trying to help him out, and he don't want to take the help. It's messed up, ain't it? Messed up. I'm already down here. This thing is all-wheel drive. Go! You got two axles coming out the side. Look at that. Ain't that better?
That's whenever you're supposed to do the all-wheel drive Civics in the States, they get the drivetrain out of these to put them in
I
there.
thought it was in a van.
No, they get them from the CRV.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah, and they're strong as hell. Like 800 horsepower, 900 horsepower, one of them. The drivetrain don't break.
Wow.
Imagine that.
RB! Do it! You gonna put RB26 in that Chevelle? Cody.
Sometimes you just gotta let things be how they are, you know.
Cody.
Some
Nah.
people meant to be.
Nah. You see how when they did it in Fast and Furious, it went down the mountain killing all the other cars, you know. It was insane.
Yeah, but it wasn't natural.
It was natural. He just had a turbo put on there. He just put a turbo on it. That was it. And changed the spark plugs because he kept fouling. Twink. I'm just saying. That was it. That gal about to drive that bike. Ride that bike. She got a kickstarted. And somebody better help her. You gonna throw her off the that compression gonna kick back up. She might got it. I don't know. I would not want to do that. I would not want to do that. Oh shit. She's like, I got this. RB. I'm gonna tell them RB will sound better in there. I'm just gonna tell them that RB. Hear me out. Before you even leave. That RB will sound so good starting up right here like that.
Terrible.
I'm just telling you. Hey, I'm telling you right now. I'm gonna let you go now. I'm just telling you right now. I'm just saying. Nah. Do a burnout. Drift car. It might not. I mean, it might be strong. May not be strong. Cuddy, he said do some. He said give him some pops. He said he wants some pops. The police won't know who it was. They'll find. Do a burnout. He said do a burnout. Burnout. Oh my god. Crazy.
They'll have a spot.
They can't run away.
Yeah. I would think
Damn
it's only
police.
a losing game. If you try to run, it's a losing game. Oh, the pit bike.